So in one of my previous videos, going to Tampobo Bay, and this is footage from that previous video, just before we got home, the motorbike heated up again. I had an issue with this before it got repaired, but I had to take it back to the repair shop, and the fan had to be rebuilt. New parts had to be ordered, or they used some new parts from the warehouse. So the total cost of the first time and the second time I went, it came out to about $42. So in this video, I go through that. So enjoy the video. Hi, welcome to another episode of Paul's Asian Adventure. Today we got our armor. It's the top part of the armor, and I'll put some pictures on the video of how it looks like on. So this is it. This is actually Mia's, but this is protection for the shoulders, protection for the elbows, on the front side, on the back side. The nice thing about this is when you have it on, you're not all sweating like leather. It's probably not as good protection, but it's in between, you know, versus nothing versus having something. We're also going to get something for the knees as well. So hopefully we'll order that, or if we can find it somewhere in one of the shops in Dumaguete, we'll get it. And then we're going to order some new helmets, and so like a side sack for the Ninja. Talking about the Ninja, I'm actually on my way to Dumaguete now to get it. It's I live just a bit outside Dumaguete. So what it was wrong with it is the fan, the cooling fan. I'd had it standing a bit too long, so a bee had created a nest and the fan wouldn't start spinning, so they had to take that out. And once they took that out, it worked, but the damage had already been done. So I'm not sure what they've done with the fan, if they've rebuilt it or what they've done, but I'm on my way to pick it up, and I will let you know further down in the video what was wrong with it. He told me the price is 1,200 pesos, which is, I already paid 1,000 pesos or 800, which is $16, and now it's 1,200 on top, which is $24, so very affordable. So yeah, I'm gonna go get it and see how it rides, and hopefully it's all good. So got the bike back, and it's actually, let's see, the fan on it that stopped working, and the fan in the radiator. I don't know if you can see it here, but okay, it's in there. I don't know if you can see. I'll try to mark it on the video, but yeah, that stopped working, so that parts of that fan had to be replaced, and the total cost of that was about 40 bucks. So actually $42. So bike's working fantastic now. They actually the chain is kind of loose, so they corrected that, and the bike drives much better. And he did something with the gearing here. He played around with this or this, I don't know, but anyway, gear is much better now. In first gear it used to kind of jump a bit, so they did something about that, and it's driving really nice and smooth now. But so that's the story behind the Ninja, just a quick update. So everything's good on that now, and we're ready for our next trip, but the weather is being kind of bad. It's been cloudy these last few days, and it's supposed to be raining all this week and maybe a bit into next week. So hopefully the weather clears up and we can do a trip again soon. So yeah.